Today, I want you to sit in your seats in ready position. How will you sit?
In ready position.
Please listen carefully and answer together. How will you listen?
Carefully.
Great. How will you answer?
Together.
Exactly. Very good. Thank you. So we will review our fractions. Please answer these together. This is the fraction 2/3. What is the numerator?
2.
Correct. What is the denominator?
3.
Excellent. What is the denominator in the fraction 2/5?
5.
Right. What is the numerator?
4.
Very good. We will now review decimals and number lines. This is the decimal 0.5. Where do I put this decimal on the number line?
There.
That's correct. This is the decimal 0.8. Where do I put this decimal on the number line, Lonnie?
There.
Right again. Now it's time for math. We're going to learn to do something tricky, but I know you're smart enough to figure it out. Today we are going to learn how to convert fractions into decimals. What will we learn?
Converting fractions to decimals.
Great. For step 1, I identify the numerator in my fraction. What do I do?
Identify the numerator.
Correct. The numerator in the fraction is 3. What number is in the numerator for this fraction?
3.
Yes, very good. 3 is the numerator. In step 2, I write the numerator on my paper and I put a decimal point in front of it. Where do I put the decimal point?
In front of the number.
Yes. Now I have the decimal 0.3. What decimal do I have?
0.3.
Correct again. Step 3 is to place this number 0.3 on my number line. What did I do?
You put it on the number line.
Very good. I say aloud in step 4, the fraction 3/10 is the decimal 0.3. What do I say?
The fraction 3/10 is a decimal 0.3.
Good. Let's try some other examples together. Okay. Together, what is the first thing we will find in the fraction 2/10?
The numerator.
Correct. We will find the numerator. Together, what is the numerator in this fraction?
2.
Yes, very good. 2 is the numerator. What is step 2?
Write it down, decimal in front of the number.
Exactly. That's really great remembering. We would write down the number 2 and place the decimal in front of it. So now that we have the decimal 0.2, what decimal do I have?
0.2.
Exactly. Together, what is step 3?
Put it on the number line.
Very good. We would place 0.2 on this number line. Now, together for step 4, we say what?
The fraction 2/10 is the decimal 0.2.
Awesome. I am so impressed with how well you remembered. Okay, for this example, 9/10. What is the first step you will do when looking at the fraction 9/10, Lonnie?
Find the numerator.
Correct. That's exactly right. What is the numerator in this fraction?
9.
Yes, very good. 9 is the numerator. What will we do for step 2?
We'll write it down and put the decimal in front of it.
Exactly. We'd write it down, put the decimal right here. Now what decimal do I have, Lonnie?
0.9.
That's exactly right. What is step 3?
Put it on a number line.
Very good. We put it on the number line, and now what do you say?
The fraction 9/10 is the decimal 0.9.
Wow, you are awesome. Okay, now I have the worksheet for you, and I'll give this to you, and I want you to look at the first problem. All right. And what is that numerator, Lonnie?
4.
Yeah, exactly. So now we'll put the decimal point in front of it. So what decimal do we have now?
4.4.
Great. So now everyone will put the 0.4 on your number line. And I'll check it. Great, looks good. Now say aloud the fraction and the decimal.
The fraction 4/10 is the decimal 0.4.
Great job, Lonnie. Thank you for answering. Everything looks really great. Perfect. So today we learned how to convert fractions to decimals. You did a great job. Tomorrow we will learn how to convert fractions with the decimal of 100 into decimals. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Great, you should be.